Maths Breakfast YouTube channel. This is Sangeeta Ajay, your Maths teacher. In this video, I am showing some creative works done by my niece and nephews. This is my niece, Alisha. She completed her 10th just now. She got A+ in every subject. Congratulations, Alisha.
Thank you.
Now, yesterday, she purchased one brush set from Amazon. She got the brush after 10 minutes. She started painting. She done this work within 10 minutes. We can just ask what are the paintings, how she used this. She will explain.
This is a watercolor painting which I studied from YouTube, and these three are also from YouTube, which are oil pastels, and these three again watercolor, and that's mosaic which I got idea from a book, and this is also a watercolor painting, and this is another oil pastels which I drew, and this I got this idea from Art Attack, and this is a campfire like thing, and this is watercolor painting, these two, and this is also coral reef.
Thank you, Alicia. Your work is very fantastic. This is my another nephew. His name is Jerome Joseph. He is doing some magic here with cards. He is a good cricketer, but now lockdown he can't do that work. So he is doing some magic in the cards.
So first he divides it into 4 equal parts. So he takes the first part and shuffle it again and give each cards to another sets. The trick is that he is going to take all 4 asses in front of these sets. Ta-da!
Wow! All the 4 A's is coming out. Now we can see he having so many tricks. One more we can see now. He shuffled the card. 4 cards she is taking out. No, 3 cards she is taking out. She is showing that cards. These are the cards. Okay. One more time you show that. Now he is putting the cards. Some tricks he is doing. He is putting 4 set of cards here. Now she returned the cards in each set. Again. Okay. Now the magic is coming out. We want to wait for a minute, then we will get the answer. We have some patience. Yes. He will show that cards, whatever cards we take that He will show within a minute. Again, some work is there to find that card. You have some patience you need. Yes, he is changing it now. We are reaching to the final stage, Yes, this is the 3 cards he showed. Yeah, fantastic, mind blowing. Wow. He is doing another magic. He spread the card. Now one person taken it out. This is the card. He is not knowing about that. Now he is keeping it here. He is shuffling the cards. See, the magic is coming now. After a minute, he will show which card she was selected. He is finding which one. Yeah, this is the card she selects. Hi, this is my another nephew.
Hi, I am Genova.
He is 12th standard student. His subject is humanities. Last year he started this fish farming. This is his first tank for this fishing. You can see the fish here. He did not take any serious in that time. After that, lockdown started. He feel to do something effective way. So seriously he started this thing. The name of this fish is guppy. Varieties of guppies we can see here. What is the name of this fish?
This is female of koi tuxedo.
This is the female of koi tuxedo. That is guppy's variety. Another one is black.
Jet black.
Jet black guppy. You see how beautiful it is. This
is water cabbage. It's
This
a
is-
live plant.
This is water cabbage and it is a live plant. It is not a plastic.
No.
It is live cabbage. Now you can see another one. What is this?
These are babies of this big ear.
Big ear. Have you seen this? Wow. Now we can see another pot, that is, here we can see the small guppies whose
German red. Babies
German
red.
Babies of German red.
Yes.
Now we can see here one special way of feeding
Box.
box. What is the speciality? So that
The guppies can enter through the
hole that
holes.
so they can eat the food.
And the waste not spoil the full water.
Okay, very good. Nice thinking. Now we can see here some guppies are here. Very beautiful one. What is the name of these guppies?
These are the male koi tuxedo.
Koi tuxedo. Can you? Koi tuxedo. Koi tuxedo. Okay, nice one. Now he is doing some other work also.
Live food.
Live food for this
Guppies.
guppies. That is natural food.
Mine.
He is using yeast and groundnut
To culture it.
to culture. So I think he is doing his time very effectively and very productively.
Yes. This is a breeding cage.
This is the breeding cage. Very good. Nice idea. He got from YouTube. He is spending his time effectively and creatively, and it gives happiness and income also. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this video. Students, you can utilize your time effectively and productively. Bye.